Good evening, folks. William Caleb, the interweb strategist, coming back at you. I just wanted to let you know about my free site here at interwebstrategies.biz. You can go to interwebstrategies.biz/free training, and it'll get you to the free training site here. Well, you'll get traffic training, you'll get product creation training, Facebook ads training. I even have a affiliate marketing business installation service that you can take advantage of. And as you'll see, you won't have to opt in or create any registration membership to use this. You'll simply come and click on a particular training video that you want to watch and start watching. For example, let's say you wanted more information on how to use Outbrain to get traffic. Well, you would click on that little image and it will then open up its own page to its own video, and you just press play, and what do you know? The video.
One traffic source that not too many people know about is Outbrain. And what they do is they allow you to put text links to your content. Some of the biggest authorities
out of it, and look forward to doing business with you in the future. interwebstrategies.biz/free training. Come get your training right here. And whenever you're ready, you need a business installed without you having to go through all the technical challenges, you just hit that big yellow button there and we'll install it for you.